Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, faculty, members, students, distinguished experts, friends. It is an honor to stand here before you today at this momentous occasion, the celebration of the 15th anniversary of the Organization, Governance and Management Program at the University of Aruba, better known as the OGM. This milestone is not just a celebration of academic achievement, but a testament to the critical role that education, research, and innovation play in shaping the future of our governance and society. Over the past 15 years, the OGM program has nurtured leaders, policymakers, and visionaries who have contributed significantly to the development of Aruba's governance landscape. And today, as we explore the theme of innovative future of governance in Aruba, we must reflect on the challenges and the opportunities that lie ahead. Governance in the 21st century is no longer just about administration. It is about adaptation, inclusion, and digital transformation. The world is evolving rapidly, driven by technology, globalization, and societal shifts, and Aruba must continue to innovate to ensure effective and responsive governance. We see this transformation happening in multiple areas. The first area is the digital governance and smart policy. With e-government initiatives, we are streamlining services and making government more accessible. And data-driven decision-making is key to ensure that the policies reflect real-time needs. The second would be collaboration and public participation. The future of governance is collaborative. A government that listens, that engages, and that co-creates solutions with its citizens is a government that thrives. Public-private partnerships, academic insights, and civic participation must become the foundation of policy development. The third, cybersecurity and trust in government. As we embrace digitalization, cybersecurity in a small island development state becomes critical. And trust in government is built on transparency, accountability, and secure digital infrastructures. And the fourth is education as the cornerstone of innovation. Programs like OGM are essential in preparing the next generation of leaders and policymakers. Continuous learning and professional development must remain at the heart of Aruba's governance strategy. And this conference brings together brilliant minds, researchers, and experts to discuss the next steps in governance for our nation. I encourage all of you to embrace a forward-thinking mindset, to challenge existing norms, and to push for governance that is adaptive, inclusive, and innovative. On behalf of the government of Aruba, I commend the University of Aruba and the OGM faculty for their commitment to excellence. May this conference spark new ideas, forge meaningful commitments and collaborations, and inspire the next 15 years of innovation in governance. Congratulations once again, and I wish you all a successful and above all, an insightful conference. Mashadanki.